February 10 de Chumuketima district laga andere bosti duita Diezephe Tsithrongse bosti laga bitore mati kane jamala olapur aji Chumuketima administration pa duita bosti laga leaders aro duita laga apex bodies tinime union Dimapur Eastern Naga People's Union Dimapur kanogode meeting tagishe meeting pichide Chumuketima deputy commissioner Abhinav Shivampa reporters kange kushi ki meeting de administration pa duita bosti ke court laga judgement rukhibi nohile mamla do Cordially settle kuribole face lobole dishe aro tribal bodies duita bosti majide khota kuribole initiate kuribole koishe IB details report sabo
Hornbill TV te ere Chumuketima DC office te aigena ase aro February 10 Saturday din de duita bosti Chumuketima district la bitore jamela olaishe aro itu duita bosti la nam do Diezephe aro Tsithrongse ase aro itu duita bosti laga jamela ula homoy Hornbill TV bi tare jaigene ground report bi kurishe aro itu mamla do ki laga ase koile to disputed land ekta issue thaki jani mide Tsithrongse laga bosti pra jaigine ekta waiting shed bhangai dia nishna in retaliation Diezephe khan bi jaigina Tsithrongse laga bosti de o itu gate bi bhangai dia ina laga bi cases ulaishe to itu nishna city kima laga EAC kun utu din present thagishe secretary solo pra janai dia hisab hoile to aji yare Chumuketima mare meeting thagibo goise aro meeting do aji yare Chumuketima DC office te thagishe meeting do kun la bosti de thagishe koilo do Diezephe village laga council Tsithrongse village council ENPU Dimapur aro Tenimi union Dimapur khan laga bitore meeting thagishe aro district laga administration laga meets te itu thagishe Hornbill TV ra paria tak ta na meeting de ki kotha kurise itu bi hudiole koshish kurise 2 baji din de evening de shuru hwa do itia 6 baji hole ase aro meeting do lop itia bra hi khatom hoise to manubi shibi itu por issue por comment kurile mana kurise hole media khan bra Diezephe laga former chairman ge bi kotha kuribo parise aro tai bra janai dia do than high court laga order bi rukhiule tan decide kuise man itia itu laga details hunibo itu eklai noili yare Chumuketima laga DC Abhinav Shivam ge bi rukhi ase para tak tai ulaile tai laga statement tan ki kotha kuise itu bi hudiole koshish kuribo
amakan ge piece hakibi gumne kurise
acha aro mati laga dispute to kinya hoise
mati laga dispute hole high court laga decision he maintain ko thaki ko ase
DC right now kicha to next step to ki hobo duita villages to
next to amakan kun pare wo itu to court e jabo oh
to apni han la bitore itu jaine ghor jula gate bhanga nitia to settle hoine compromise hoise na kine ase itia
to hole amakan ke both side bosti hole bi warning dia ase ene kana kuribi ku gune hal prai to kibaku
when the meeting started the acrimony was palpable but the sense that we had by the end of the meeting that I think some reason and some sense has prevailed in people because also we clarified on what the legal position of the matter is, what was the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, what was mentioned in the High Court. So that information asymmetry we could address, and we also appealed to the good sense of both the villagers, and the tribal Hoho leaders were also present. We appealed to the good sense of the citizens, the village council chairman and the Gaon Buras, and I believe they listened to us. I believe they got the sense of it, and the time when the meeting was over, I think the environment was quite different from where we started. Well, I've asked the police to look into the matter. In fact, ADCP reported that there were some talks and mentions about the firing. I have asked the ADCP and DCP to look into the matter. If some firing has happened, it is a very serious issue for us, and adequate measures will be taken against it.
Sir, if in case of any eventuality, is the district ready for any eventuality of law and order situation?
Yes, of course we are, and that is the point which we have discussed with the police also. However, the tribal ho-hos have assured us and that nothing of that sort will happen. And after the meeting, especially, in fact, just before this interview, they were here and they have assured us that nothing untowards will happen, because the information asymmetry which is there is addressed to quite a bit. Nevertheless, we have given instructions to police also. Police is also ready, as I'm reported, and I don't think any untoward incident will happen. The follow-up of today's meeting will be, one, the tribal ho-hos will sit with their villages and with their own tribe people, and then the two villages will be brought on a discussion. See, the point is, this matter goes back quite long. In the first case was probably filed in 1996. So the dispute is from 90s. And the technicality of the matter is that the matter is still under sub judice. So it is in 2009 when Honorable Supreme Court has given the direction. They have set aside the ruling of the High Court, and they had told the High Court to take the matter afresh, educate on it, and where the villagers can go and present their claim. So the technicality of the matter is it is sub judice. So there are only two ways. One way is that both of the parties go to High Court and they get a judgment out of it. The second is that these two villages realize that they can select their friends but not their neighbors. That they should come together, they should learn how to coexist, they should know that if there is any grievance, there is a way, there is a mechanism to put forward. Going for vandalism is not a way, it is not a civilized way in any which manner. And I will repeat what I have told in the meeting also. See, Chumukidima, like it is said, is the land of opportunity, and the development of Nagaland will be dependent upon Chumukidima's prosperity as well. Chumukidima will be the growth engine for Nagaland, and for that to happen, the first thing is that peace should prevail. Now, for peace to prevail, we need to develop our mechanism how to resolve the conflict. I mean, forget about multiple tribes which are here. Even in the same community, it will never happen that for all the times there is no dispute, no disharmony. But we should learn how to resolve our disputes. There will be difference of opinion, and the difference of opinion should be addressed and should be solved in a civilized manner. The discussion should not end. People should not go and start vandalizing the shops or whatsoever. So that is absolutely not the way forward. Not only for Chumukidima, for any place. The violence leads nowhere. The violence leads to more violence, and even after it is settled, it leads to acrimony. It leads a bad taste in the mouth. So that is what I had appealed today also, and that is something we should learn, that how to resolve our differences. Violence is not the way. Both parties were asked to maintain the status quo because that is the direction of Honorable Supreme Court also. The Supreme Court has said to maintain the status quo, and that is what EAC Chumukidima had been telling them. That is what district administration had been telling them from earlier. In fact, there is an entire history of it. Since, discuss about 2016, 2020. Since the matter is sub judice for long, so we have told them to maintain the status quo.
তো এতিয়া পৰা দেখি পা নিচিনা হৰ্ণবিল টিভিৰ পৰা ইয়াৰে চুমুকিডিমা লগা ডেপুটি কমিশ্যনাৰ অবিনাভ শিৱমকে কথা কৈছে আৰু তাইৰ পৰা জনাই দিয়া হিচাপ এতিয়া ট্ৰাইবেল হোষ্ট খানহি ইটো লগা কথা ইটো বস্তি দুইটা কিবি কথা কৰিলে আছে এইটো একলাই নহয় হ'লে বি তাইৰ পৰা দুইটা ৱেজ দিছে একটা হ'লে তো তাহাৰ নিজৰ লা ভিতৰে ইটো ভাল ৰা ছেটেল কৰি কিনে কৰ্ডিয়েল হৈনে থাকি যা আৰু ছেকেণ্ড হাই কোৰ্টে যাই কিনে জাজ সি ৰখিবলৈ লগা দুইটা ৱেজ জনাই দিছে এতিয়া কাৰণে ইমান হ'ব হৰ্ণবিল টিভি আপুনি আগে এইটোৰ ওপৰত লেটেষ্ট আপডেটছ আনি থাকিব মই ৰিপৰ্টাৰ কিয় কৈছে কিয় হ'ব উইথ কেমেৰা পাৰ্চন ৱং ফৰ হৰ্ণবিল টিভি চুমুকিডিমা